Welcome to Business Reporter's Future of Payments campaign. Buy now, pay later is one of the fastest growing payment methods in North America and Europe. According to global data, the annual turnover of the BNPL market is expected to reach nearly $600 billion in 2026. That's up from $142 billion in 2021. That growth presents both opportunities and risks. Opportunities for customers who want to spread the cost of their shopping, for merchants to sell more, and for specialist lenders who provide credit. But for incumbent financial organisations, it's a risk. As BNPL becomes a popular alternative to credit cards, it's eating into retail banks' market share of consumer credit. What should a retail bank do to turn BNPL from risk into opportunity? Well, that's what I'll discuss today with David Larsson, CEO of Sileon. David, welcome. How significant is the growth of buy now, pay later for retail banks?
It is really significant. Buy now, pay later is the next wave of digitalization of consumer credit. And that really impact and hurt banks' existing and maturing card business.
And what's the reason for that?
With buy now, pay later, you have instant credit checks. You don't need to apply for a credit. And you have it there exactly at point of purchase. And also with cards, as we all know, they are not totally designed for e-commerce. So the younger generations particularly are abandoning the card business, which means that banks who want to stay relevant for their younger generations of consumers, they need to up their game within buy now, pay later. So up until now, it is what we call the buy now, pay later providers who have taken market share here. So for banks to stay relevant within consumer lending, they need to follow on the digitalization trend. And a good way of doing that is to add BNPL to their existing card base.
Couldn't banks just use their own developers to introduce BNPL to their own systems?
Yes, they can. However, BNPL consists of a wide range of credit products, and a bank might want to launch it within multiple markets, different offer to different customer segments, and you see it gets complex rather fast. So we really recommend to partner with a BNPL tech company.
What's Sileon and what's your BNPL solution for retail banks?
So Sileon is a tech company, more specifically a tech company within BNPL. Sileon offer a platform, software as a service, with full scalability and functionality for any retail bank or fintech to launch their own BNPL.
How does Sileon's BNPL platform work and what are its key features?
So Sileon BNPL platform is fully scalable across all markets, full scalability in terms of volume. Credit products can change depending on customer segments. And in practice, this means that our customers could create a new credit product by a specific customer segment on their existing credit or debit card base and launch within days.
Say a bank wants to use Sileon, can they expect a big overhaul of their existing systems or a step-by-step affair with quick and easy wins?
No, absolutely not a big system overhaul. You as a bank do not need to change your existing systems or infrastructure. And I would recommend you as a bank to begin with adding BNPL functionality to your existing credit card base. After that, you can move on to add BNPL functionality on the existing debit card base. And after that, it's possible to also add BNPL in a checkout or in a digital invoice. And all of that is catered for within Sileon BNPL platform and in one single integration.
What does the technical implementation look like?
Technical implementation is both fast and easy. Firstly, our customers try out and learn the functionality in our sandbox environment. Moving on to implementation of Sileon's 2 powerful APIs. All this in oversight and supported by Sileon technical staff. And all in all, this does not take longer than 1 to 3 months. And And as we all know, that is way shorter than building something with this type of functionality in-house.
Finally, can you give us your 3 key takeaways from this discussion?
Absolutely. Firstly, BNPL is the next wave of digitalization of consumer credit. It's taking market share from the more mature products such as card, and this is impacting retail banks' business. Secondly, any retail bank that wants to up their game within BNPL, we strongly recommend to have a technical partner. That is to decrease time to market as well as about cost efficiency. And thirdly, Sileon, we are a tech company within BNPL that support and equip banks to exceed their consumers' expectations in regards to BNPL.
David Larsson, CEO of Sileon, thank you.
Thank you very much.